Hello everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating a project based on IoT using Arduino. The project is Weather Monitoring System using Arduino. Here is the complete overview of the project. Now let us look at the components required. Arduino Uno board, the ESP826601 Wi-Fi module, DHT11 sensor, USB Arduino cable, a cardboard, and a few male to female jumper wires. This is the schematic of all the hardware connections needed to enable the project. Now let us make the connections based on the previous schematic shown. All the connections have been made according to the schematic shown. This is the design algorithm used to build code for the project. Now we'll try to build the code for the three parts of the algorithm. The first part, we need to download the software serial and the DHT libraries and install them separately. For reading the data from the sensor, we need to declare string for temperature and humidity. Then we'll skip to the void loop and declare the data to be read and serially transferred. This is the void loop. Here the serial print displays the data in the serial monitor. Now we'll use update TS function to update the data according to the preferred delay. Here the delay is 3000 milliseconds. Let's move on to the second part. In the void setup loop, we need to set the baud rate of the ESP to the 9600. Then we will be giving the appropriate AT commands to connect the ESP to the Wi-Fi to transfer the data. These are the AT commands. In the final step, we will use the ThingSpeak API to retrieve the data from ESP. This is the final step code. The following code retrieves the data from the ESP and displays it in two fields. Then we need to update the write key from the ThingSpeak channel in the code. This is the key. Now we need to check the serial monitor for the recorded data by the sensors. Now we need to connect the Arduino to the laptop using Arduino USB cable. We need to verify the code and upload it to the Arduino. Let's verify it. While verifying, check for any errors. Now we need to upload it to the Arduino. After uploading it successfully, let's check the serial monitor from the Tools tab. Now you can see the data. The temperature and humidity is shown here. This keeps on repeating after every 15 seconds. Let us go to the ThingSpeak API to check the data. This is the ThingSpeak API. Now we can see here two fields. One field is for temperature and one field is for humidity. This keeps on updating for every 15 seconds. This ends our project.